everyone, it's Sam.
And Lily that's trying to open a very hard box.
We are going to be doing our FabFitFun unboxing for fall. We're super excited. I just did my FabFitFun add-ons, so I'll link that down below so that you guys can go ahead and check that out. But today, we are partnering up with FabFitFun to show you what comes in the fall 2019 box. And Lily is so excited because she hasn't been able to do a FabFitFun unboxing with me for kind of a long time, right?
Yeah.
And today we were just filming her little H&M haul. So she did a back to school haul. It's just her and me at the house, and we are going to film our FabFitFun.
My aunt just left the house and I'm so disappointed.
She's so disappointed. We had my sister here for a couple of nights. Her fiance just went back to work. He works on a shift, so he's gone for a long time. And so she was feeling a little sad. So she came and stayed at our house with Noah, and we spoiled her. We made her breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We changed the baby's diaper.
Mama.
Well, not you, I did.
Oh, it's so
I do have a coupon code for FabFitFun, so if you haven't signed up for FabFitFun yet and you want to, I'm going to leave the code right here for you guys, and I'll leave it in the description box as well. If you use that coupon, that's going to save you $10, which will bring your box from $39.99, or sorry, from $49.99 down to $39.99. This box is seasonal. It comes spring, summer, fall, winter. So we are on the fall 2019 box. It's always worth over $200, and it's only $39.99 if you use that. So you get a little bit of beauty, sometimes skincare, sometimes fashion, sometimes home. There's just a really good range of products in there, and I have been doing FabFitFun unboxings now for a long time. So I'll leave a few of the other ones that I've had in the past. The reason I love FabFitFun is because you get a little bit of everything. And sometimes it's brands that I haven't heard of, and sometimes it's super well-known brands, but it always just, like, it's really fun. It's like basically Christmas every time you get it. And it gets me out of my box and gets me to try things that I wouldn't normally try. The boxes are always really pretty. So every single season, it's a different design. But I love to keep these in my closet to store things. So whether it's your winter hats, or in the winter you can keep your swimsuits, because it looks really pretty in your closet. And this one is really pretty. So this one is all hearts.
It has always,
it's like a rainbow.
It has purple, red, I think that's like purplish.
Kind of like a coral.
Yeah, coral. Red, orange, yellow, and then the same.
And then who's this little girl? Oh, she's painting.
Yeah.
And then this one is in, it looks like they partnered up with City of Hope. Oh, look how fun the opening is.
Oh, it has a magazine.
Look, it's a bunch of ladies doing stuff. They're doing some reading, some watering. So, oh, one's pregnant. One's lifting weights.
Wait, which one's pregnant?
Look, this one's pregnant over here.
Huh.
Cute. Okay, so let's put this down.
Can I peel off the card?
Oh, okay, so we got a little gift card, an $80 gift card for HelloFresh. Lily loves HelloFresh. Then you always get a little magazine. So this time, because you know I'm all about that bass, That's the girl who sings it.
Oh.
Yeah, it's Meghan Trainor. So this is nice because it does a breakdown of everything that you are going to get inside of your box. And there's always like different options.
Okay.
They have it so that you can customize it now. It is available in the US, Canada, and oh, I didn't know FabFitFun was available in the UK. What?
Where's the
It's
UK?
available in the UK, in England, baby Lil. Where we go and visit my family. That's super exciting. So I was able to customize my box, but there's a ton of different options that you can do. And then it's kind of nice because it gives you like ideas, you know, like Marie Kondo your wallet, and a little article about Meghan Trainor. It gives you
I got icky dicky slime.
just you know, tips, change your career, eat healthy. So it's kind of like a little mini magazine, so that's really nice to have.
A slime.
Ooh, fun. Ooh. Okay.
The first one.
First one is A. Oh, here, you open it up and I'll tell everyone how much this is worth. Hair towel wrap, it retails for $18. And I chose this one because I love these towels because they really absorb so much water out of your hair when you get out of the shower.
I think
we're gonna have to cut this, but basically it's just like a hair towel wrap.
I'll
So
get
just
some scissors.
Okay, are you gonna go open it for me? Okay, be careful. We got these gorgeous little bauble bar earrings, which I chose. These are really cute. These are called the Farrah ear crawlers, and these ones retail for $34. I'm gonna stick them on right now just so that we can see. Oh, look how cute that is. I think I put it on the wrong ear. Hold on. Where's my ear hole?
Right there.
Oh, there it goes. I think I just dropped the little nugget.
What nugget?
The thing that keeps it on my ear. Darn it, I lost it. Well, anyway, that's so cute, you guys.
Anything under your butt, Mom?
You never know. My butt does hide all sorts of goodies.
Get up.
I lose my phone underneath there.
Get up.
Did you find it?
No.
Okay. I'll move. Did you find it? It's like this little tiny little thing like this.
I know what it's like.
Oh, you do?
Yeah.
It's clear.
Clear, you say.
Yeah. Well, we lost it.
Can't find it anywhere.
It's okay. Okay, so that is what the earrings look like. Do you like my earrings?
Yeah.
Do you want to pierce your ears?
No.
Why not?
No.
If you pierce your ears, we could be matching twinsies and we could have the same earrings. Don't you want to be twins with me? She just ignores me. Okay, so this is the hair towel. So these are so great because they're stretchy and then you can just, and then it dries your hair really, really good. We got the earrings, we got the hair towel.
Open a can of watermelon.
Okay, so next is the Juice Cleanse Exfoliating Sugar Cubes. Ooh, fun. These are the, what do these retail for? See if they smell good. Do they smell good?
Yeah, they smell amazing.
These ones are $16. It says these delightful sugar cubes are a great way to exfoliate and nourish your skin in the shower, all while leaving a yummy scent.
So that
what do they smell like?
So that means I can't eat them.
Oh my god, they smell so good. What do they smell like? They smell like bubble gum, like fruity
Mamba.
melon, right? Melon gum.
But Mama,
Watermelon gum.
does that mean I can't eat them?
No, they're for your body. They smell amazing. Oh my gosh, look how cute that is too. To just like have in your bath.
I found some lotion.
It doesn't want to focus because of Lily's head.
Sorry.
There we go. So that smells delish.
Lotion.
Okay, next we have some lotion. No. This is the Aveda Damage Remedy
Hello.
Daily Hair Repair. Instant visible repair.
focusing.
Protects from heat styling.
It's not focusing on me.
Why is this camera doing this all the time to us? This one retails for $30. So right there, you've almost paid for your entire box. That smells very Aveda-ish. It's like very kind of natural, what do you say? Essential oil kind of smell. Then I picked these because these are amazing. These are the Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. They're basically little eye masks that you put underneath if you are getting married, if you are going to an event, if you just need your under eyes to be tight and amazing and young, you need to get those. These are $25 for a 6-pack, and they're basically just a little gold eye mask.
It's humongous.
Ooh, that is humongous. So they look like that. Next, we got the Human and Kind body souffle. Ooh, it's vegan and cruelty free.
If it's a souffle, can I eat it?
No. What a bummer. This one retails for $18. It's got apricot oil and shea butter. Should we test it out a little bit?
Okay.
I wonder if it smells like apricots. Let's hope so. You want to put some on your arm?
Okay.
Here you go. I'll put some on my arm and then we'll smell it. Ooh, it smells nice. Very delicate.
It smells like coconut.
Oh, it smells really, do you know what it smells like? Oh my god, I know this smell. It smells like Nair. Do you guys remember using Nair when like you were a teenager and you're trying to get rid of all your hair because you're super young and you're like, well, my mom won't let me shave, so I'll use Nair instead, and then you get a rash?
I think
it smells like Nair. Exactly like Nair. But it's really nice. Like, I like the smell of Nair.
And the first
it's like an apricot Nair.
And the first smell, it smelled like coconuts, but now it smells like...
Haha, I stole your lotion.
Now it kind of smells like, I don't know.
It's nice.
I
never
like smelled this smell before.
I like this smell. It's very soft. It soaks into the skin really quickly. It absorbs nicely, wouldn't you say?
Mine doesn't absorb very well because you took it all. So...
Sorry.
Here's a blanket.
Okay, next we got a plush, ultra soft plaid scarf from Plush Apparel. This is kind of like a navy, I think it's like a navy and a gray. Do you want to try it on, Gorgie?
Yes, I want a blankie.
Oh my god, this is really soft. Yeah. Feel how soft it is. It's so fluffy. Okay, ready? Okay, I'm gonna wrap you up.
Okay.
Okay, little darling. Ooh, you look like you're ready for New York Fashion Week.
I have a big scarf that covers my whole body.
Oh my gosh, look how cute you look. So this one is $75. Wow, that's an expensive scarf. No wonder it feels so soft.
Actually, it looks like
it's actually very big. Look how cute. Oh, you could have it as a shawl. You could use it as a blankie if you're Lily's size. It's really soft and cozy. So that's really cute for fall.
Flying platypus.
Oh.
Flying platypus.
Oh, this is so cute. This is the Twine Living Co. Gourmet Wood and Ceramic Cheese Board gift set. That is so cute. So this one retails for $30. It's acacia wood and a ceramic plate.
I'm a flying platypus.
You are?
I'm a flying kitty platypus.
A platypus.
Puppy dog.
A platypus puppy dog.
You can't see anything.
Okay, let's open it up and see what we've got here.
What is it?
Oh, watch out because there's knives. Be careful. You don't want to cut yourself.
Yes, Mama.
Okay, let's, oh my gosh, this is so cute. It's like a little mini cheese board tray.
That's what I was gonna say.
Now don't be silly with this because I don't want to stab you.
I promise I won't.
Okay, so we have the little ceramic plate and then the little cheese board. And then you've got a little knife for your cheese and a little fork to poke your cheese. So look how cute that little set is. That's really nice. I'm gonna put that up high since I have a little wild one over here.
I found a noodle.
She found a noodle. Okay, so now let's add up how much everything was that came in my box, shall we? $246 for $39.99. Okay, what's your favorite thing? I can tell what yours is gonna be.
Thank you.
You like the scarf? Yeah, the scarf is really, really nice. I'm gonna say I really, really, really am excited about these earrings because these are so, so cute. And I really like that cheese board tray because it's actually very beautiful and I love acacia wood and I think it's gonna match in my kitchen really gorgeously. These are so amazing. I recommend these to anyone. They just really do make your eyes look very, very youthful and just really tight and just delightful. So those are probably my 3 favorites.
You know who's the tiniest human on the earth?
Who?
The tiniest lady on the magazine.
Oh, she's so little. Look at her, just a squidgy tiny little thing.
She's as tiny as my head.
She is as tiny as your head. Do you want to pretend like you just got out of the shower for everyone? Okay, let's take out your...
Owie!
I'm sorry. Okay, flip your head over. Okay, ready? I've captured you.
Yay!
I've captured you, hair.
I like being captured.
Okay, and then you twist it all up like this. Oops. We twisted it the wrong way, Lo. And then you get your little thingamabobber. Where is it? You get your little elastic and you put it on the button and ta-da! Your hair is in a towel and it's gonna dry perfectly.
I just got out of the shower. Dwah!
They can't even see your, there we go. Look at that. They're just so good. They really do.
Now.
Yeah. Turn around so they can see what it looks like in the back. Cute, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So those things are amazing. They really do dry your, they take a lot of the moisture out of your hair so that it doesn't take nearly as long to dry your hair. Another box that does not disappoint. Such cute stuff. I love the fact that you are able to customize some of the stuff now as well. It gives you the options, which is really cool. And there's some really great pieces in here and I'm just obsessed with these earrings. And even though I missed that little bit, I don't seem to be losing it. It's in there really well. So ear crawlers are so cute, especially if you have big earlobes like I do. That's so cute. So there you guys go. I hope you guys enjoy. Let everyone know in the comments down below if you are, yeah, you can put that in there, baby. If you are someone who does get the FabFitFun subscription, please let anyone know who is thinking about getting it if you think it's worth it or not. Personally, I do. I think it's just they always give such great things. I mean, it's always worth way more than what you would spend for. So, and it's really nice. It's only seasonal as well. So you don't have to, hold on one sec. You don't have to worry about paying that money every month because it's only 4 times a year. So I think that makes it a little bit easier as well. Now you can say something, my little friend.
My favorite FabFitFun box.
FabFitBum. Maybe we should start our own box that says FabFitBum.
My favorite FabFitFun box was the one that had a bunch of candy.
We had one that had candy?
No, I meant like a box with candy.
Okie doke, guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope that you guys enjoyed our unboxing and enjoyed the stuff that we got, and I'm very excited to use all of it. And I think Lilybug has officially stolen my scarf.
Can you give me 80% of money?
Thank you guys. I love you. I hope you guys all have a wonderful day, week, month, year. We'll leave the coupon code as well as the link to FabFitFun in the description box below. So if you haven't signed up and you want to, now's your chance. Use that code. It'll save you $10 off, and it's just Sam. And then you guys can be as excited as we are when we get our FabFitFun. Because it's pretty fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's like Christmas. 4 times a year.
Yeah, with a day, week, year, month, day, every day. I know.
Well, she's gonna go ahead and just wrap up in that scarf. I've lost my scarf.
This is the best present ever from my mommy in a box.
It is really soft. It's so soft. You look cozy. I bet Feeney's gonna want to snuggle in it too.
But he won't, because I'm gonna hide it from him forever.
Are you gonna hide it in your room? Oh, okay.
I never had a scarf that was a blanket.
Why is it not focusing on us very well? Oh, there we go.
Because you look like a birdie when you do that.
Okay, bye!
Bye-bye, everybody, and I hope you get a bunch of blankets for me.
Bye, guys.